5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Right 8 opens, 30, crest, flat right into flat left. Into, right 5 stay in, into, be right 5 stay in, into, left 4 extra long. Into, right 9 would be left 4 extra long, into right 9, 50. Right 9, 50, right 8, 50. Right 8 over kick, into left 5, up. Or right 5 over kick into left 5, up. And then left 5 up, flat right into left 7. Flat right into left 7, into crest, into right 8. 50, right over crest, 50. Left 9 extra long over crest, into right 7 long through water. Tightens 5 over crest, would be right 7 long through water. Tightens 5 over crest, into left 7.
All good.
Into left 7, into right 8, into left 3 long, opens the 6, would be left 3 long, opens the 6. 50, bumpy left 7. Okay, 50 bumpy left 7, into caution, big rocks, big bumps here, right 8. Lots of big bumps here in the right 8, yeah. Into right 7.
Starting left in the rear.
Yeah, I can feel it too. Okay, you just lift through the stage and we're gonna get to service, all right?
Yep.
Right 7, into left 9 down. We've got about 6 kilometers to go. Left 9 down, 100 up. Left 9 over big crest, tightens to 8. I think it's the right rear.
Yep, maybe right left.
Okay.
Rear left.
50, left 8 short over crest, 50. Left 8 narrows off camber, 100. Probably a control arm or something. Yeah. 100. Left 9 over crest, 80. Left 9, 50, right 8 up here. Right 8 up, 30. Left 9 over big crest, 50. Crest, 30. Left 7 water, or be left 7 water, 50. Right 9, tightens the 7 over second crest, 80. Be right 9 tightens over 7 for second crest, 80. Left 5 opens, 50. Right 8, 50. Crest into right 7, 80. Then line over crest, into left 9 long, tightens the 6 late, or be left 9 long, tightens the 6 late, 50. Tightens the 6 late, 50. Crest into left 6, tightens the 4 at junction, be 6, tightens the 4 at junction, 100 down off camber. Right 5 long, opens, tightens after crest, or be right 5 long, opens, tightens after crest, into left 8. 30. Yeah, it's definitely the left rear.
Yep.
Stay right over 2 crests, 30. Bumpy left 6 off camber, stay in, opens. Bumpy left 6 off camber, stay in, opens, 80. Right 8 opens through water, 80. And then rocks left 7. Rocks left 7. 50. Stay right over crest, 50. Water into left 3, tightens over crest. And right 5, don't cut. 100. Left 8. Into right 8. Almost at the finish, 3 kilometers. Left 8, into right 8. 30. Crest into right 8. 80. Left 8 up. Crest to right 8. Yeah, 80. Left 8 up. 80. Right 9 over jump. 80. Crest into left 8 long, tightens 5. It would be 8 right. Yeah, 80. Crest into left 8 long, tightens 5. 50. Crest into left 3. Crest into left 3, 100 up. Right 2. Line 100, or be right 2, line 100. Almost the end here. Fuck. Right 9, 80. And then right 9 tightens 8. Your right 9 tightens 8. 50. Keep mid over crest into bump. Right 9 long over 2 crests. Your right 9 long over 2 crests. Into right 7. 80. Left 5. Into right 9. 50. Left 7 into left 6 long opens. Should be left 7 to left 6 long opens. 50. Bump into right 2 late, stay in. 50 bump right 2 late, stay in. Into left 7 opens. Left 7 opens. 150. Right 5 long, tightens 4. We're at the finish here. Up there we have right 5 long, tightens 4. 50. Right 5 long, tightens 4. 50. Left 7 through finish. Good.
Made it.
I hope it's just like a control arm or something, but...
Yeah, most likely. It doesn't even bad, but when we turn on one side,
yeah.
we're just like pitching around.